Finding the area of a parallelogram is the same as finding the area of a rectangle. Here's why. Both figures have a length of 4 units, called the base for parallelograms, and a width, or height, of 2 units. If the triangular area at one end of the parallelogram is moved to the other end, it forms the same rectangle. So to find the area of a parallelogram, multiply the length, the base, by the width, the height. As long as the base of the parallelogram is 4 and the height is 2, the area will be 8 square units.
When measuring angles, you use a special tool called a protractor. Protractors measure angles using degrees. Protractors are fun to use. The first step to using a protractor is to estimate what you think the angle will measure, either less than 90 degrees or more than 90 degrees. This tells you the number to use on the protractor. This angle is less than 90 degrees, so I am going to use the smaller numbers on the protractor. To measure using the protractor, first lay the straight line that you see on the protractor on the straight line that is formed on the angle. Many times it is the bottom line, but you can use the straight line for measurement. Also make sure that the angle fits right into the circle found in the middle of the protractor. This will give you the most accurate measurement. You then look at the degrees the line passes through. You read the lines on the protractor just like you would a ruler. Use the numbers that are labeled to determine the scale of the smaller lines. You will see that the line passes through 45 degrees. Therefore, the measure of this angle is 45 degrees. You would use the same method to measure obtuse angles, or those that are larger than 90 degrees. But instead of looking at the smaller numbers, you would look at the larger numbers.
To find the formula for the area of a triangle, start with a parallelogram. The parallelogram can be divided into 2 triangles. The 2 triangles are congruent. Since the triangles are congruent, they have the same area. So the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram. The area of a parallelogram is the base times the height. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. Any parallelogram can be divided into 2 congruent triangles, so the formula will work for all triangles.